What's going on YouTube? So, quick little tutorial video. I've had an issue with this 25 R1T dual motor performance a few times where the charge port door will get stuck. It just doesn't open, the actuator will not turn, and the door is stuck. Charging still works, but it's just stuck. Now, see where I'm heading here, because we're going to do some service. But what will happen is right here, it'll say service vehicle before charging, can't charge, whatever the error is, the big red sign that says no charging available. I actually broke the door off. The door will be over here. I broke the door off and charged to get to the service center, and they charged me $600 to fix the door because, yes, I did break it. I'm an idiot. Said should have called roadside assistance. They would have helped you. But I think this is what roadside would have done if it's a Rivian person, because I figured something out. So what we do is we go to options down here. So settings, vehicle, service. Then we're going to go to service mode. This is going to pop up a little service thing. Some things are going to show where you can't do things, such as SOS calling, so on and so forth. Boom, show just popped up now. So we're going to go over here. After that, you're going to see something here. And we're going to tap this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then boom, we're going to have a nice hidden menu down here called Ride. We all know how to get here. Some of you might not, but here we are. It's going to pop up a Thomas Edison quote. Pause and read. Now we're going to hit it 5 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to come up with a code. Now when the code pops up, it's 33748. It's been that for the longest time, and I don't think they're changing it, but nice glare of the iPhone. Any case, what we're looking for in here is one thing and one thing only. Don't go and screw with things in here, and if you don't know what you're doing, don't do it, because there's a bunch of things in here that could really mess up. Let's kind of zero in, and it's kind of blurring out on us because of the glare. But in any case, what we want to do is we want to go to calibrations, body calibrations. Pardon the glare up here, but follow along on yours. And then there's going to be a whole bunch of things in here. Let's go in. Let's see if we can get it. The glare is really bad. It's hating us. So there's window calibration, so on and so forth. But you see that one right down here, charge port door. So let's deselect all, and then we're going to go ahead and hit the charge port door calibration. So only that is checked, and then we're going to run. It's going to ask you if you want to proceed. Go ahead and proceed. And it's going to run the item. See, the charge door opens. Successful. Okay. And guess what? My charge port door is now working. Everything is fine, good to go, and it loves me. So let's go ahead and turn off service mode. Yes, we're going to turn off service mode. Again, my charge port door is already working because I did this before. Turn it off again. Turning off service mode. We're still in ride menu. And we're off. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and switch over here. And we're going to go ahead and try the charge port door. Oh, that was open in the front. Absolute fail right there. We're going to go ahead and you can see the charge port door is open. This would just be grayed out and it wouldn't work. So we're going to go ahead and hit it. Look. And it's closing. Hit it again. Does the pulse and it opens up. So it's good to go. Now it works. So that is fixed. The next thing that I had a problem with, we're going to have to go outside for. And that was my tonneau cover. Let's go over here. My tonneau cover was stuck, and it said it was obstructed. Something must have gotten away, flipped a sensor or something, but it just would not open. It's opening now. But if your tonneau cover is ever stuck and you need to fix it real quick, this worked for me. Go to your tonneau cover button and press it 1, 2, 3, long press. And it resets it. Watch. 1, oop. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's resetting. Mine was working, so it started to open up a little bit. But it should open up. I have version 1.1 of the tonneau cover, and as you can see, it's closing. Nothing obstructed. Now watch when we get back in. So everything's good, and look, it's working. So let's get back in. And if we go to our screen, we'll now see the tonneau cover reset successful. So you'll get this message saying that you reset your tonneau cover. So you're good to go. So just a little bit of tutorial right here on what to do if your charge port door is being an asshole like mine was for 3 or 4 times, and I broke mine like I said. Go ahead and in the service menu, reset it, do what you got to do there. And if that works for calibrating it, cool. Save you a trip, couple hours if you are like me. My closest one is Shelton, Connecticut. The other one is Chelsea, Mass. So I'm right in between that. Kind of sucks to go to either one of them. So that's helped out a lot. And also my tonneau cover, reset that, worked perfectly. So do me a favor, like, share this video. You know someone who's having a horrible time with their Rivian when it comes to that? Now you know what to do. They'll love you forever. But I gotta love it. I love my Rivian. I can't lie. We actually are selling this one right now, and we're getting into a new one. It'll be here within a month, not even. So stay tuned. Again, like, share, do what you gotta do. Help the algorithm, share our videos, and put us in there and get us to 100K someday. That'd be wonderful. All right, see you guys.